There are many stories embedded within these walls, experiences of students, forgotten by many but always remembered by these walls. This is the story of one of those students.
Hey, Bharat, how are you doing? Morning.
Morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am. Naren.
Divit.
I expect a good morning from you, Mr. Bhalla.
Morning, ma'am.
That's better. Sit down. Class, let's study now. Where's Arjun?
Ma'am, he's still tired.
As usual, I'll call his parents later. Anyways, we should write a paragraph on the topic on blackboard, the relationship you share with your grandparents, and that should be about 150 words.
Ma'am, may I come in?
Oh, Nagasa, where were you?
Sorry, ma'am, there was a workshop in the auditorium, so I was just attending that and I got late. Sorry, ma'am.
Take a seat.
Thank you.
Ma'am, but I don't understand, ma'am. What am I supposed to do in this?
That's a very good question, Ashray. Now, I want all you children to write about the topic in 150 words on how the current generation treats their grandparents. They take them for granted. They don't spend any quality time with them. And this is your FA4, so you better take it seriously.
So, carbon makes a large number of compounds due to its tetravalency, which is its valence equal to 4, and its property of catenation, which is. I've given you this assignment, and you have to complete it and submit it to me tomorrow. Thank you.
Oh my god, it was such a boring class.
खोलो खोलो दरवाजे पर्दे करो किनारे खूटे से बंदी है हवा मिल के छुड़ाओ सारे
So you know physics teacher is so annoying. I have to be wrong.
Yeah, but don't you think that whatever the English teacher was saying was right?
Listen, have you started for the maths duty? Yeah, but the course is very stressful there, man. Even our practicals are coming. The course is so much. Trigonometry is still easy, but the rest are so difficult.
I totally agree with you guys.
So, did you tell her?
Okay, forget all this. Listen, don't you think whatever the English teacher said was kind of right? I mean, when do we spend time with our grandparents?
What are you talking about?
Nothing. When was the last time you actually spent time with your grandparents?
It was just
I. You don't know. And what about you?
It's been a couple of days. Actually, I don't remember.
you know what? You're actually right.
Okay, guys, just shut up. What are you guys talking about? This is all nonsense. Our grandparents are always at home. We can talk to them whenever we want to. What's the need to make an issue out of it? Hi, Grandpa. I'm home. Hello. Hi. What's up? Alright. So I'll talk to you later, babes.
Babes?
Alright. Cool. Bye. So how was your day, Dadaji? It was good, beta. How about you? 1 second, Dadaji. I'm getting a phone call. Hello. Hi, babes.
Beta, you know it's been so long that we've spoken to each other and we've almost stopped talking.
Yes, I finally got the tickets.
What tickets, Beta?
Tickets for the concert, Dadaji. It's the best concert ever.
But don't you think we can discuss these tickets later?
Where's Dad?
He's at work, but why?
He hasn't paid my mobile bill yet.
Don't you think you can talk about all these things later?
Don't you think you can talk about all this later?
I have to tell you something very important, Beta.
Don't you think this is important?
Beta, don't you think we can discuss your mobile bills later? I really need to talk to you about something really important. We haven't spoken for so many days, and for a grandfather, that's a very terrible thing. We're really growing apart. I really promise you I need to tell you something really, really important.
What do you think, Dadaji? You think only your things are important? Don't you think paying my mobile bill is important? I mean, why the hell are you so insecure, Dadaji? Where am I running away? I mean, it's just so irritating, Dadaji.
Beta, please wait.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, my baby.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm all good.
And how is school?
It was tiring. What are you watching?
Oh, okay. Sorry. So, what happened?
Nothing. Where's Grandpa?
Grandpa's gone out for a business meeting with your dad. He'll be back soon.
Oh, okay. Anyway, I'll just freshen up and come. I'm kind of hungry.
Okay. Nice serial, huh? Seriously.
What? Why? Stop. Anyway, when is Grandpa back? I really want to spend some time with you guys.
Grandpa should be back by Friday. He has to be back by Friday.
Why?
You don't know? You forgot. I thought so. It's our anniversary, sweetheart.
Action.
Really? It's your anniversary. Where are you taking us?
In the morning, we're going to the temple for puja, and in the evening, it's going to be a big family dinner.
That sounds amazing. I'll just be back. Hello.
Hi, Ashray here.
Hi. What's up?
Yeah, you've heard about this concert, the Pitbull one, which is coming up this week?
Yeah, I know. The concert? Yes, I've heard about it.
Guess what? I got the tickets for that concert.
Really? How did you manage to get the tickets?
But that's not important. The deal is that I've got 2 tickets and you're coming with me.
I guess I can come, but when is it? Oh, Friday. Friday? No. I can't come on Friday.
What? Why can't you come?
Asha, it's my grandparents' anniversary. I cannot miss that.
What? This anniversary is going to come next year also. But this concert is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
Asha was celebrating their 40 years together, and my grandparents are really important to me. And this day is really important for them. And that's why I'm never missing this day for anything in the world. I'm really sorry.
Dude, you know what? You're going crazy. Bye. Yeah, hi Dad. I'm in the car. I'm about to reach for the concert. You want me to send the car back to the hospital? Why, Dad? What happened to Dada? He's under? Alright, I'll send the car back as soon as I reach for the concert. Is that okay? Alright, cool. Bye. Dadaji is in the hospital and I'm going for the concert? What the hell is wrong with me? Yeah, Dad? I'm really sorry, Dad. I'm not going for the concert anymore. I'll meet you up somewhere on the way and we'll go to the hospital together. Is that okay? Alright. Okay. Bye. Driver, take the next U-turn. We have to meet Dad on the way.
There was just an emergency case which came in from Basanpur.
Yes, there's a patient who's been shifted to the ICU. Come, I'll get him. Sir, he can't go in, he'll have to wait here.
My grandfather is in there.
Son, don't worry, wait outside.
Dad, how's Grandpa? Dad, how's Grandpa, Dad? Where is he? How's he feeling now? Dad, please tell me, Dad.
Son, we lost him.
When he was here, he was blank. He just didn't know how to react. Only after losing something so important to him, he had learned such a petty lesson. But being as blank as he was, there was just one thought that wandered through his mind. To all the clouds in his head, that one thought was, what was it that Dadaji wanted to tell me? What was that one thing that grandfather thought was so important and I really had to know? And that's something that he will always regret. That's something that he will never know. Because that's something that died with his grandfather. The last memory he has of his grandfather is the worst one he has of him at all. The last memory is of an argument over the payment of a mobile bill. And that's a lot to live with. On Monday, everyone submitted their English project, the FA4, on grandparents and youth. Ashish Para came in too. He got an E. The teacher thought it was inappropriate and not to the topic. But I feel like I should read it out to you, so here goes. Isn't it something to think about? We are never tired to go for a 3-hour movie, but we are too tired to spend 3 minutes with our parents. We are willing to run around the world if it's for our own greed, but helping out a friend in need is too much. We are willing to talk on the phone to people we barely know for hours and hours on, but talking to our grandparents about our life is a waste of time. And we spend all our time to impress people who don't even matter. But we forget to tell the people who love us that they do. It indeed is a funny life, and these are just a few things to think about, a few funny things. We don't learn things the easy way, and when life teaches us lessons the hard way, we regret it. There is just one permanent truth about life, that is that nothing is permanent. The things we have this very moment are the things that we will lose the very next moment. So seize every single moment in life and tell the people you love that they matter. On this note, our group would like to leave you with something to think about. Who are the most important people in your life? And when was the last time you told them that? चल ठीक है पहले ये करते हैं।